Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see Stand Up India scheme. This is the one of the best scheme that government has introduced because the loan amount is from 10 lakhs to 1 crore. This is mainly for any SC ST. It can be male or female. It can be any women or any category. General, BC, MBC, OC, SC, ST, anything, any category, any women. But the thing is that new entrepreneur, the business must be a new one, new enterprises to develop the women, to stand the women in their own leg. It is the best scheme that is being launched. Already we have seen Mudra, PMEGP, needs we have seen. One of the scheme is Stand Up India. We are going to see how the what are the documents required, what are the eligibilities, how bank is scrutinizing, how we can get this Stand Up India scheme without collateral, without any giving any collateral, how we can do, how the project report is being made for this project. We will see it. So if you see Startup India scheme, we can apply online. There are three modes for applying. One is giving direct to bank. You can download the offline application, fill it, and you give to the bank. That offline application you can give to the lead bank manager, lead district manager. It means that every district it will have a lead manager. That particular district, if one bank is more, like if you say Salem Namakkal, Indian Bank is more. For now, Indian Bank, one lead district manager, chief manager will be appointed for this. This chief manager, he will handle all the documents which comes to collector. All the loan related documents comes to collector. He will pass to lead district manager. He will handle with the Indian Bank, with other banks like SBI, Canara Bank, IOB. Other banks he will handle it. And third is the online application. If you apply in online application, you can track your application, where it is there, why there is any delay, if they reject, what is the reason for rejection, everything he will there. So it is my best option suggestion to is that you apply online www.standupmitra.in online application from 10 lakhs to 1 crore. This is the project without collateral security. See, if you see, there are totally 12 lakhs 50,000 branches in India. If you see any state, approximately 17,000 branches will be there. From 17,000 branches, one application for SC/ST, one application for women and women any category. For women for any category, the bank has to pass and the bank has to give the loan. This is given the instruction given by the central government. So all the bank has to follow or following. So your rejection will not be there. So you apply with all the necessary documents, and you must also have the knowledge what you are going to do, what business you are going to do, how you are going to get income, how you are going to repay the loan. Main thing is repaying the loan. Bank will always check how this loan can be repaid. For women, for women or SC/ST, they can be any individual. Like women, I have put Meghla is a girl name. So from her name, she can do the business of Startup India under the scheme. Otherwise, if she is a proprietor, suppose Rasi Silks is a proprietor name, proprietrix name, proprietrix is Sara example. So like this, you can avail this loan. So individual is individual name, proprietrix is a firm name, but operated by a individual. Partnership is that in a partnership firm, there are 4 5 partners or 2 3 partners, or within husband and wife. Anything, if women is having more than 51% of share in the partnership deed, all the details will be there. Who all are the partners? Why this partnership firm is made? What is the reason for this? When it is made? What is the capital being brought by this partners? What is the share? Everything is being given. In that, if the woman is there, if in this partnership men women are there, women percentage is more than 51 percentage. This in this standard scheme also she can apply. So age must be above 18. Why 18? Because in Banking Act or Companies Act, if you say any major minor, we have to think when anybody is being major, then only they can execute the documents, sign the document. For the main reason only, the age is above 18. This Stand Up India scheme is giving loan to manufacturing, service, and trade. For three only they are giving. For agri, they are not giving. For other farm activity, they are not giving. They are giving for manufacturing, service, and trade. For this, any degree, so they are having some knowledge of focusing the knowledge to develop the business. The qualification is being given. Type, this is term loan. For term loan and working capital, two types they are giving. For term loan, like you are having land or you are having a lease land for the period of 7 years, you can construct, you can do interiors, you can put your machineries, you can get working capital for running the business. There are two, one is term loan, another is working capital. Term loan can be paid within 3 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. Working capital can be every year, it is being circulated. If I am giving 1 lakh, from 1 lakh you will purchase all the item, you can make it, you can sell it, you can get more than 1 lakh. This is the working capital concept. So working capital will be always with you. So term loan and working capital, these are the two things we can get this loan. Repayment is maximum 7 years, including 18 months holiday period. Say if you see, if you start any business, suddenly you will not get any income, because for getting income, for getting break even point, you must have some months. So in order to sustain you yourself, government is giving 18 months holiday period, but you have to pay the interest in the holiday period. For principal you no need to pay, but interest has to be paid. A loan, if you see, if your project cost is 100%, your bank will give 75% of loan, and a borrower has to bring his margin of 25%. Another thing, if you see who are eligible, who is looking after this is applying. You can apply direct to the bank, and you can give the application through LDM, lead district manager, or if you give through online application. If you give online application, you can track it, you can check your status, and this application will be forward to collectorate, and also the lead district manager and particular bank. Already they will have that, and the bank will have their own ID, and they will approve it. This is governed by whether all the application is giving or not. If any application is rejected, why there is a reason of rejected. Application came in, so that's scrutinizing. Everything done by collector, lead district manager from SIDBI and NABARD. These are the two nodal agency which are funding this Stand Up India. So the persons from SIDBI and NABARD, they will accommodate with this governing agents. If there is any rejection, there is a proper rejection for this will be there. Because if you are having all the documents, if you are having age, you have completed 18, if you have a qualification, if you have this, there will not be any chances of rejection. Because in this 12 lakhs 50,000, 17,000, one SC/ST and one woman must be there given. So it is a government order, so rejection is maximum 0. So if you see period, if you are applying up to 25 lakhs, in that loan must be sanctioned within 3 weeks. If it is 25 lakhs to 1 crore, 6 weeks. So you must, if you are aware these knowledge, rejection, this period, everything, then you can speak to bank. Sir, I have given this many days, why there is a reject, why there is a gap, what is the reason, I want to this reason. If you have the knowledge, so if you, then they will think that you have studied the circular, and so they will, surely they will give. Any bank will not reject like that, because they have to give a proper reasons. So next, if you see, collateral is not required. It is being covered under CGFISIL. CGFISIL means Credit Guarantee Fund Scheme of Stand Up India Loan. This is a credit guarantee scheme. They are governing. If you see Mudra, PMEGP, other thing, CGTMSC is there. It will be covered. See, it is same like this only. So you no need to give any collateral. This is being covered. What are the documents required is PAN card, Aadhaar card, address proof, EBR gas, in the address proof must be there, community certificate must be there, educational qualification certificate must be there, then your quotation must be there, lease agreement means lease agreement, partnership means partnership deed. These are the private limited company means MOA, memorandum of association, articles of association. These are the minimum documents, set of documents if you are taking with the applications, and surely the bank will consider the applications. Next is project report is the main thing. Project report will play the major role, because what type of loan you are going to get, whether you are going to get term loan or working capital, how much your loan, how much you are going to repay per month, per year, when you are going to finish it, how much you are going to get sales, how much you are going to get raw materials, how many salaries, how many manpower you are having, how your what is the EB power, every details will be there. So project report plays a main thing. And civil report. Civil report means you must not avail you must have paid the all the loans if there is, or you must not be a defaulter. So these are the two things, project report and civil plays a main things. So there must not be any overdue. So after that project report, how it is being made? So I have taken manufacturing, service, and trade. Example for manufacturing textile, I have taken service any beauty parlor or salons, nature or green gardens or any nature you have worked there, having previous experiences, and you want to start your new enterprises, new one. So this loan will be given for any supermarket or trading of any onions or any trading activities if you want to do. So under the stand-up scheme, it can be done. So for that monthly, how much sales or income you are getting, what are the raw materials required, where you are getting from that raw materials, how you are getting, how many manpower you are having, how you are paying the salaries, then what is the EB power generator if there is no EB, if whether there is a generator for a continuous power supply, LT low tension line or HP high tension line, what is there, how much is a bank interest you have to pay monthly, what is other charges, other incidental charges, what are there, what is the net profit, everything you have to be this detailed will be spoken in the project report. So if you say I have taken like textiles, so for textiles for stitching one dress 150 rupees, I have taken 10 machineries, you have input for 10 lakhs, project cost is approximately 10 lakhs, I have put 10 machineries, and you are stitching and you are selling to Tirupur, Coimbatore or anything. So you have employed 10 machine, 10 manpower. According to that, per month you are getting, so this is a monthly, per month you are getting 1,50,000 income. You are giving salary. See, these are the things I am just narrated in this. So per day, 200 rupees is 200 to 250 is the per manpower salary. 20 days I have taken calculation, not 30 days. 20 days I have taken calculation into 12. For per year you are getting 18 lakhs. In that all the expenditure you are reducing it, subtracting it, and you are getting yearly income of 5,66,000. For a new entrepreneur with getting of amount of 5,66,000 is a major one. So like this 10 machineries you can make to 20, 30, 50, 100. So your income and profit also will increase. It is the best scheme, stand up India scheme that you can make it. So you must, if, before going to bank, you must know the scheme, you must know the documents, what are the documents. If you go and approach to the bank, bank surely will consider your loan. If you have any doubts, any comments you put, please subscribe my channel, because you want to tell government what are the government subsidies we are getting, government loans are getting. If any in February 1st, our finance minister is going to announce that for MSME sectors, there is a new proposal she is giving. So lot of advantages are coming for MSMEs, for manufacturing, services, trading and all. So subscribe my channel, tell to your friends if they need, forward them. They everybody must be utilized to these things. If you have anything, please put in my comment box. Thanks.